Papaya and cinnamon smoothie to beat swelling and constipation. Have you ever heard of papaya, oatmeal and cinnamon juice? Subscribe to our channel to keep you receiving value information for your health care. This juice will help regulate your intestine and also facilitate your weight loss. Amazing, isn't it? The fact is that, with the busy pace of our days, we cannot maintain our diets and end up turning to food delivery applications to make our lives easier. However, to have good health and quality of life, you need dedication and time to prepare your food. In addition to taking care of your diet, eating the right nutrients will also help eliminate toxins accumulated in your body. And they are responsible for causing diseases and obesity. So, to help you in this mission, learn now the recipe for papaya, oatmeal and cinnamon juice. Do you want to know why it works? Papaya helps fight constipation because it has enzymes that help in the digestion of food, which normalizes intestinal transit. Oatmeal is rich in fiber and helps you lose weight, regulates the intestine and lowers cholesterol. Cinnamon, besides smelling incredible, has antioxidant action, stimulates the body's defense and also has antispasmodic, probiotic and anesthetic action. This mixture will help cleanse the intestine, end constipation and eliminate toxins by doing powerful detoxification in your body, which will certainly help you throw a few ounces on the scale. Making this smoothie is super easy. 700 grams of papaya cut without skin and without seeds. 2 tablespoons oatmeal. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 400 milliliters of water. Blend and go. Take it on an empty stomach and it will surprise you.